Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Kape daw. No. Jello, nagsasayang ka ng tubig. Na kaya Aya? Wala sa akin. Nawawala ko po. Ito? Ay, nasa ito. Binigay niyo. She's right. Jello! First lesson yun. So, first lesson. Done. First lesson pa lang tayo. Kahapon, hindi naman tayo nag-gen tayo kahapon. Look at her penmanship. It's so bad. It's so ugly. And look at mine. It's so good. It's so deep. Kahit i-rewrite mo na lang ako. Aya's penmanship. It's so ugly. It's so tiny. It's just like your face. No. Your face is maputi. Yeah, my face is my tem. Aya's penmanship is so ugly. Send ko yan kay Aim. Makikita niya gano'n ka sa ugali. Di ba alam ni Aim? Hindi niya alam. Alam mo ba sa harap yan? Sa harap ni Aim? Angel yan. Ang ina. I'm her little Aim. I'm her little Aim. Sa inyo din naman. Wala. Never kayo nagkakasundo, no? Ulit. Look at her pen. The work of ass. A work of art. A work of ass. This is my face. That is a Christmas, a slanted Christmas tree calendar. Why you keep edging me? Praise tayo. Ayun. Anong birthday? Hindi, huwag na lang pala. Nasaan na ako? Nasa school ba? Ay, ba nangyari? Huwag na lang. Ano? May nangyari sa inyo ni Kuya? Wala pa. Update mo na lang kung kailan mangyayari. Ako din. Ang bilis niya rin. Bilis mo naman, te. So fast. May iba na sulat ko. Kaya mo. Cute ka. Kasi nahuli ako. Kasi ang pangit ng sulat mo. Mine's way more impressive. Yours is like a poop. Parang kinalikal ng manok. Ha? Hindi ko na... Ha? Inisip kita. Hindi kami. Hindi kami.
Ulitin po natin ha, you have to familiarize with different terms and also yung definitions like the always, ano po, tawag dito okay. So the study of optical genetics, especially in the work of Virgo Mendel, he applied what we call probability. Okay? Kasi balikan po natin yung background ni Virgo Mendel. During his college days, he took statistics and probability. Kaya yung pinag-aralan po niya, ginamit po niya in his study about the three plants or genetics. Mamaya nga patulong ako dito. Okay. So probability, trace and probability. Unang gumamit ko ng Punnett square. It was a name of a geneticist who used the diagram. A color of hair. Okay, hair po. So let's say it has black and brown. Names of the parents. So ano tawag natin dito? Parental. So this is hetero. Is what? A dominant. So i-cross na po natin yung plate na to using the Punnett square and we will draw a diagram with 4 squares or boxes. So on the upper part of this Punnett square, we will write the genes or ang other term. And on the left side po, the other lowercase t, then lowercase t.
Okay, natawag na naman dyan.
So ano rin po tawag natin dito sa generation na to?
First years.
So we have now the F1 generation. So if these are the gametes of parents, how about these letters? So this symbols. They are the
Offspring.
ano na tawag sa kanila?
Offspring.
Offsprings na po sila, di ba?
Yes.
Tama ba?
Yes.
So ito na po yung offsprings po natin with the cross of a tol, and tol. So ang letters are the genotype or phenotype. The letters are the ulit. Uppercase T, lowercase t, that is tol. Tol. So tol, the description, phenotype o genotype? Ano siya? Are both dominant, which is tall. How about the offsprings? Or tall, sorry, so forth. So we will get the phenotypic ratio. So when we say phenotypic ratio is, so what do you observe in a phenotypic and genotypic ratio? Yes, Eliza.
Ano po, I observe sa phenotypic po, it just identifies if it's short or it's either short or tall po. While in the genotypic ratio po, it identifies if it's a homo something. A heterozygous or homozygous, tall or short po.
Okay, correct. So the
Homophobic.
alright, tells us the
Homophobic.
while the phenotype tells us the only focuses on this kasi siya yung kauna-unang nag-study ng genetics. Wala pa pong existing studies about genetics during this time. Kaya, for example, in a human height, ibig sabihin, kung matangkad ka, connected yung other genes mo.
Sapagat.
To your,
Growth hormone.
the growth hormones mo, everything po. But take note, even Gregor Mendel used that word dominant and recessive. His work was the groundwork of the genetics po. Alright? So I repeat, the Punnett square simply gives us the probability. Okay? On the type of trait that an offspring can have. So, depending po sa trait na ginamit mo natin. Homozygous recessive, so on and so forth. Of flower. So, in the color of flower po, what Gregor Mendel did was
Recessive.
Based na naalala niyo sa pinassignment ko, what is the dominant color of flower?
Purple.
Okay, the purple or violet, diba? And then, purple and So apply, and then homozygous recessive, which is the 2,
0.
0. So the 4 is
Purple. White.
How about the genotypic?
25, 50, 25. 1.
So what is that one? Oh, sige, sagutan niyo. Okay. And identify the phenotypic and genotypic ratio. Are you good?
Yes.
Okay, let's check. Let's check the mundo. So here, in our example number 3, it is already identified that our parents are heterozygous.
And homozygous.
Heterozygous what?
Purple.
Purple. And then
Homozygous white.
homozygous recessive, which is
White.
So phenotypic ratio, our phenotypic ratio is
2 is to 2.
Okay, ha?
2 is to 2.
2 is to 2. How about our genotypic?
2 is to 2.
Newton. Tapos yun na bang gamitin tong answer key nyo? Tapos yun.
Dami kong notes. Bawal ito lang.
Okay. So, hybrid traits. So, in our example, the two traits that Gregor Mendel used are of seed. Tama ba? Color of seed. How about texture?
Smooth and wrinkled.
Okay, smooth and
Wrinkled.
okay. What is the dominant trait in a
Yellow.
seed line? So, yellow. And we will use
White.
letter
White.
white.
Ang rough yata yung gagawin.
Rap. Okay, rap ng genotype.
Yes.
Gam is always coming. How many letters?
2.
So, ito, pag yellow, dalawa yan. Ito, ay ano?
Di ba the first
Anong ginamit mo niya sa
capital
yellow?
letter always comes
Is it homozygous dominant, heterozygous, or recessive?
Homozygous dominant.
Heterozygous. Nakikita niyo ba yan?
Hindi.
Heterozygous. And then, kinos niyo itong parent 1 to another parent na ano yung gene, so ayos.
same.
Heterozygous
and hetero.
Parehong heterozygous. But are they dominant? Yes. So,
Yes.
dominant pa rin po yung yellow and then the brown. Y, or then lowercase. Same is.
Grade 9. Oo, grade 9. We've been spending too much time. Oo, grade 9. Sabay na sabay. Nag-isip din kasi ako eh. Ako rin.
Ulit.
Here. Here. I'm taking my notes. Get ready. Sorry po. That turns 40, we're gonna
Alright, so let's check.
1, 2, 3, go.
So these are now our offspring.
Patience
Offspring are, okay,
It tests your
Yellow.
patience, although it's easy. But it
yellow
tests your
what?
patience.
Yellow wrinkle.
Yellow,
Wrinkle.
wrinkled, then
Green.
Green, round.
green,
Round.
brown,
Green wrinkled. All around. Because it's the dominant.
Because the yellow and brown are both
Dominant.
kaya po, mas dominant din po yung yellow and brown. And then the yellow wrinkled 3, as well the green round, then the green wrinkled is 1. So our ratio is 9:3
Is to 3 to 1.
1. So yan po kapag dihybrid cross. So in crossing the called heterozygous, they are is to 1. And that's all for today. Goodbye everyone.
Yung assignment kayo, ma'am.